To set up SSH Key Authentication on your servers, the first thing you need to do is log in to your primary server that you want to be able to connect from, and then you'll run the command SSH Keygen. And we're going to run this with the -T option and also entering in RSA. RSA is the hash that is being used for generating the key. And then once you hit enter, you'll be asked for a location to save the key. I stick with the default location. And then you'll also be asked to enter in a passphrase. However, this is not mandatory. I'm going to leave this blank. And then you'll be asked to confirm the passphrase, which I'm also going to leave blank. Alright, now that we have the key created, you'll see here that the identification key is being created in the ID RSA file, and that the public key has been created in the IDRSA.pub file. And these are available in the user's home directory in the .ssh folder. So we will go there now, and you'll see the two files listed here. Alright, now to copy this file to another server, the first thing you'll need to do is to go to that other server. We will now log into the second server, and as you see, we are in the home directory, and we will list the directory contents. And as you do not see, there is no .ssh directory on this secondary server. Going back to our primary server, we will now copy the key file over to the secondary server. The command to run to do this is SSH copy ID, and then you will enter in the username and server name for where you want the file copied to. Since I've never logged into this server, I'm being asked to confirm whether this fingerprint is correct, and I'm going to type in yes. And then I'll be asked to enter in the password to the server that I'm trying to copy the file to. So I will enter that now. And it says the key file has been added, and then we can confirm that the key file has been added by running the command that is shown below. And as you see, we were able to log into the server without using a password. Going back to our secondary server, we can now list the directory contents, and we see that now we have an SSH directory. And if we go into that SSH directory, we will see that an authorized keys file has been created, and in this authorized keys file, we will see that the server has placed the key from the other one, as well as placed the username and password for which this key is associated with. Now, if we attempt to try to connect to the server, to our primary server from our secondary server, we will be prompted with a password as shown here. The reason being is because the key only works in one direction. So if you need two servers to be able to connect back and forth between each other, you'll need to have the key generated and then copied to the other server on both sides. So we've already done our primary to secondary. We will now do our secondary to primary, and the steps to do that are the same as before. So we'll run SSH Keygen with the -T RSA option, and we will get the same set of prompts. We will just go through those, and then we will do SSH copy ID, and then the username and host name to the other server that we want to copy the key to, and then we'll have to enter in the user's password, and then the key file will be copied. And then to confirm that the key file has been copied, we can SSH over using that user ID and server name, and we should be able to log in without being prompted.
If this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook,